Hello, my name is Javon Bell Waller. I did my assignment 7 on DID, which is dissociative identity disorder. Um, the symptoms of DID can be seen as a person exhibiting two or more identities or personalities that function separately, react differently to trauma, and may even have a different age, name, or gender. They may feel two or more people talking in their head and feel as though they're being possessed by other personalities. Persons that suffer from DID may also suffer from dissociative amnesia and fugue, formerly known as multiple or split personality disorder. There's a movie that was put out in 2000 and something that is called Split, and it literally shows DID. I'm thinking that is an extreme case that it shows, but that is what it shows. The causes. Mayo Clinic tells us that dissociative disorders usually develop as a way to cope with trauma. Most often, these conditions are formed during childhood, when kids are subjected to long-term physical, sexual, or emotional abuse. War and natural disasters can also cause these disorders. Personal identity is still forming during childhood, so a child is more able than an adult to step outside of him or herself and observe drama as though it's happening to a different person. A child that learns to dissociate in order to endure a traumatic experience may use this coping mechanism in response to stressful situations throughout life. Mayo Clinic staff, 2007. With DID, when someone has a traumatic experience, their disorder can cause their brain to automatically switch to a personality that is better equipped to handle the experience at hand. In my humble opinion, traditional psychoanalytic therapy would probably be the best for patients with DID. Because with DID, starting in childhood trauma, traditional psychoanalysis can help because it taps into childhood traumas. Freud made it so patients felt comfortable enough to relax and just let their thoughts come as they arrive, giving the illusion of free thinking, with the patient not knowing that past traumas will indeed force his way to the forefront of idle minds, causing us to open up. This therapy made it easier to take past experience and build upon previous responses to try to learn better coping skills. Humanistic therapy as well is a good way to help patients with DID. This therapy focuses on your conscious or what's happening in the here and now. This therapy can help someone with DID because it can help spot what triggers their switches, as well as help them organize some methods to better cope with whatever triggers. This therapy can also help the patient that may be in denial that these other personalities are lingering and become more present and truthful about their condition. And here you see my references. I just took a look at Mayo Clinic, and to get anything else, of course, our book was a huge help. Thank you so much.